सनसनी सनसनी सनसनी। सूत्रों के हवाले से एक खबर मिली है कि सीबीएसई, जी हां और कोई नहीं, सीबीएसई ने छात्र हित में आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स का ऐलान किया है। इस खबर से कई छात्रों के पैरों तले जमीन खिसक चुकी है, लेकिन एपीएसआर के पुरम से हैरान कर देने वाली तस्वीरें आई हैं, जहां छात्र अपने टीचर्स के सहयोग और टीम वर्क से फ्लो ऑफ लिक्विड्स एंड क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी जैसे टॉपिक्स पर प्रोजेक्ट बना रहे हैं। आइए कुछ तस्वीरें देखें। सिकंदराबाद से जुड़ चुकी हैं हमारी संवाददाता वैष्णवी। आइए देखें वहां की तस्वीरें।
आज हम एपीएसआर के पुरम से ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग कर रहे हैं और आज हम अपने दर्शकों को दिखाना चाहते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लूइड्स पे बेस्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट्स। आइए देखते हैं।
There are mainly two types of flow, laminar flow and turbulent flow. Let's discuss about them in detail. Laminar flow is characterized by the smooth or regular movement of the particle of the fluid. The fluid flows in parallel layers with minimum lateral mixing and no disruption between the layers. It is also referred to as a streamline or viscous flow. Turbulent flow is characterized by the irregular movement of particles. One can say chaotic fluid. In contrast to laminar flow, the fluid does not flow in parallel layers. There is high lateral mixing and disruption between the layers. In turbulent flow, the velocity of particles at a given point continuously goes under changes.
फ्लूइड्स में हम क्रिटिकल वेलोसिटी जैसा एक टॉपिक देखते हैं, पर क्या आप जानते हैं कि इसकी अहमियत क्या है? आइए
Critical velocity. Velocity of liquid flows up to which its flow is steady and above which its flow becomes turbulent is called critical velocity. Or the critical velocity of liquid is that limiting value of its velocity of flow, up to which the flow is streamlined and above which flow becomes turbulent. Its formula is given as critical velocity is equal to Reynolds number into coefficient of viscosity divided by density of liquid into diameter of tube number. When a liquid flows in a pipe with a small velocity, the flow is smooth, streamlined or laminar flow. As the velocity is gradually increased, a stage is reached when the liquid flows become turbulent. Whether the liquid flow is laminar or turbulent is decided by Reynolds number. If Reynolds number is smaller than 1000, the flow is laminar or streamlined. If Reynolds number is greater than 2000, the flow is turbulent. If Reynolds number is greater than 1000 and smaller than 2000, the flow is unstable. It may change from laminar to turbulent.
Let's perform Reynolds experiment. The experiment involves running water to a transparent pipe at a very slow rate, injecting a small amount of dye at each flow rate and observing a result in flow patterns. Laminar flow. It is a smooth flow and Reynolds number is less than 1000. Transition flow. There are small edges and a whirlpool. The Reynolds number is more than 1000 and less than 2000. Turbulent flow. It has unsteady and violent flow when the Reynolds number is greater than 2000.
कैमरामैन वैभव प्रशांत के साथ मैं वैष्णवी कुमारी, बीपीसी न्यूज़ सिकंदराबाद।